Did you know the secrets of 17th century sailmaking are hidden in the tools they used? Let's dive into the world of 17th century sailmakers. First up, the sail needle. These robust needles were essential for stitching thick canvas, and they came in various sizes. Next, the palm thimble, a leather pad worn on the hand to push those hefty needles through tough fabric. Then we have the sailmaker's bench, a sturdy workbench that helped keep the canvas taut and manageable. Don't forget the sail hook used to grip and secure the sail while stitching. And finally, the trusty beeswax, crucial for coating the thread to make it stronger and more water-resistant. These simple yet ingenious tools were the backbone of sailmaking, enabling sailors to navigate the high seas. Fascinated by more historical tidbits? Stay tuned and sail away with us.